the HeartsBros. We just talk about playing games, so why not join us as we sit down and melt our brains.
Anyway, should we do the last episode?
Yeah, let's do the last episode.
I'm falling apart.
I'm starting to fall apart. Okay.
Every now and then I fall apart.
Welcome back to
I
HeartsBros.
think I have to build that.
Build
But
what?
first I have to smash it. But I can't smash it while I'm here.
I think it's already smashed.
No. On its look, watch. When the
It's
blue
a Smash TV, isn't it?
when the
Oh,
blue
it is.
comes up, I can get it.
It's just a Smash TV.
Oh. So we
Good eye.
So that was just an extra. That wasn't the level.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And you just gotta
Whoa.
proceed into the spikes face first.
This is the level.
And... Oh,
Why-
we're not even underwater yet!
Oh.
We are.
Now we are.
Oh
Oh,
shit!
it does have the...
We do have the air bubbles. Look at his
boy.
half swimming around. This is not going to be easy.
No.
Oh, they've got the little spiky guy. Oh, what? How could you smash him?
I can
That's not... What?
That doesn't work properly.
That's not the game.
Oh.
Well,
Did I drown?
Yep.
Wait. That's an even shorter amount of time than the old game.
and it gives you no warning.
Doesn't
I think the
matter.
TVs on the top right will, like, be your only indication of your death.
Why is my health going down?
I thought it was, but I think you just got hit by shit, coincidentally.
Yeah, on
There's
like...
bubbles.
There we go. Boobless.
You're fine now, I guess.
There we go.
Oh, it was doing the music. It was doing the music.
I do like how they've actually modelled the actual little faces from Labyrinth Zone.
Yeah. But not in Lego form.
No.
I hate the mixed media Lego shit where it's like this
Well, I
isn't made out of
suppose
Lego
it's
blocks.
quite hard to actually make it in Lego as well.
Well, yeah, certainly, but like,
It might look shit, too.
put the work in. You're making millions of fucking buckaroos.
I guess.
Well, maybe they'll hire you, Lego Master Builder.
I would not waste my creative energy.
I would
on
not waste
this
my breath.
Shit.
You wouldn't serve your Lego.
Your
overlord?
Lego overlords? No, I wouldn't.
Fuck off.
Square?
Oh.
No.
What's
Okay. Well,
I'm tiny! I'm tiny! Get to the air! Tiny lungs. Tiny lungs.
tiny lung.
that?
He's
Why are you shrinking?
because of the power. The thing that I went. Did you move me afterwards and
Yeah,
make me
that's
not
why
small?
I'm curious.
Okay.
Now you're small.
Now I'm small. Now I'm Tiny Sonic.
If I pick you up, I can make you small.
You can push me inside.
There you go.
Now I can go in the
Yeah.
the fucking slow.
I don't know how that makes sense, but okay.
You go slow as shit as Tiny Sonic 2.
That's great.
Why?
That's even better.
You should go faster.
Oh. Like, look at this! Like, what?
Why?
Why am I going that slow? Just because I'm small doesn't mean the laws of physics change.
This is amazing.
Okay.
Why don't you? Do you not need to interact with that? Stupid
Not yet.
portal
I want it
thing?
while I'm still small. I want to be able
Oh.
to press this button.
Right. Good point.
I want to Metroid Prime into this hole.
It's not working
No, I
out.
think you need to be bigger, maybe.
no,
Oh,
there we
circle.
Circle.
Oh, maybe you need to be bigger
What?
then.
I don't fucking know.
Well,
What do you want me
should
to
I
do?
put?
Yeah, fuck you. Okay.
Go.
Do right by the grandparents. Stop swearing.
Oh right.
Oh, I think I'm pressing square.
You need to move everyone again, maybe.
I've rebigulated myself. And
It
now
doesn't look like you should be able to fit in that space, but all right.
What?
There we go. Whatever that did.
My spikes can compress, Jose.
What happened there?
Slammy shammy.
It's just sparkling because it's gold, confusing everything we've
purple
been
thing?
trained to
Oh.
understand.
So, is there just a sandwich
Just spits
and,
in the
and some
face.
forks and like a fucking banana?
Are you meant to touch that purple thing?
Is that a banana?
No, the purple thing is just like
It's
the
a
stupid
question block.
extra
It
bit.
tells you can go small and big if you use the small
No,
and
it
big
probably
power.
tells you need to be Superman in
So-
order to touch the golden thing.
Only
There you
characters
go.
such as Robinoid Head can destroy gold Lego blocks.
There you fucking go.
Okay, so,
So you need to go back to being small again.
Oh, right.
make me small.
No problem. I don't know how we figured that out.
By
Oh wait, what did it
accident.
say?
It was literally by accident.
It specifically said what
The scale keystone allows characters to go larger or smaller to complete puzzles.
Okay, I guess
Okay, but,
green
like-
is larger.
Do I have to be small to engage with the sandwich? No, I've rebigulated.
Maybe I should.
I need to get back down in this hole. Whoa! Oh, no, yeah. Maybe we do have to slam, but as big boy. Why did you read?
I didn't.
Oh.
But, you know, I guess
Okay.
this is
He
getting
was
real.
meant to be in it.
Sonic is
This
large
just like a
and
side area.
in shot. Make me
I don't
tiny
know.
again.
I think we're getting to fetish territory right now.
Make me. There we go.
Oh, you have to slam
I'm gonna
down.
fit down this rat hole. There we go.
Why is he so small? Oh,
Why
makes
is
me
he so
angry.
slow?
You mean slow?
Both and angry.
Really?
This is my fetish.
Hell yeah. It's titchy time. Okay, here we go.
There's no in between, by the way.
Here we go. Just going along the labyrinth zone motion pads. Gonna get this crystal.
I'll help you out.
There, got it. Good old Sonic crystals.
I wanted to make you big, but it didn't register.
Mama?
Mama?
I always thought he said mama whenever he did that, by the way.
Really?
What's wrong
Yeah.
with you?
Mama? I don't know, when I was a fucking little
Mama.
kid, I was like, is he saying mama? Listen out for it next time.
Listen out for the mama.
In another HeartsBros, haha, JK. It's only halfway through the episode.
You do that to me.
Need to be big again, probably.
No, I
Show us
tried
help.
making him big.
2.
Oh,
Yeah.
get.
Bigger! Bubble time.
Oh, fuck.
You don't die on the spikes when they're small. That's silly.
Maybe I'll make him
Make me
small.
bigulated. Oh, I'm
It's
I
not
gotta
working
fucking
anymore.
Build. No, don't spin. Build.
Oh, yeah, build, yeah. Got you.
You got one more hit and you're like hurt. By the way.
Oh no, not my hurt zone.
I don't want to be hurt.
4, 3, 2.
Yeah, you just. Oh, well, there was a bubble on the left.
It doesn't matter. I'll just reappear right here. There you go.
And then drown.
And then I'll drown again. Because
Or
like
not. Who fucking cares? There's no consequence. You
they
already-
didn't. If you die whilst it's going down, it still plays the fucking music.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Stars Boy. Da da, I'm Stars Boy. Look at me, I'm Boy Stars. Stars Boy.
This
Boy
wasn't
Stars.
made with a lot of care, was it?
Da da. Do,
Like
do,
a really
do,
intricate platforming area where you can fall off the edge.
It's just like death has no consequence.
You can't.
That Sonic Super music just sounds like no music ever. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
From like any other Sonic. It was just some random special Stars music. It was like ram bram 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 bram.
It didn't sound like that.
Oh, it's copyrighted. Michael Jackson made that ditty.
Oh, there we go.
No, he
What's that?
They
I'm
could.
fucking
They've got
around.
like. They've got at least. 50,
Hell yeah! Look at that strapping young lad.
is that Aquaman?
Yeah.
That was
It was hot as fuck, Aquaman.
to touch gold, you have to be Aquaman.
You're him now.
Does
Congratulations.
Aquaman come with the actual game? Though?
No.
No.
He's a buildable. An extra purchasable.
He's 30 quid.
Wow.
Plunge the switch!
Probably.
Oh!
The building shit.
I just shit a ball. The level just shit a ball.
One of Tails' foretold
How can you
anuses.
roll
You
it?
seen this, guys? Just shit a ball.
Roll it!
Look at this.
Move
Fucking
it.
roll the ball.
You dung beetle.
the ball. Tuppence a bag. See ya. Don't want
Bye.
to bibbity boo ya.
Okay.
Oh look, a red.
Oh,
The red sprang.
that
I'm
was
gonna
a
I'm gonna go put my feet on that red.
satisfying reveal. Touch it. Thanks for touching it.
For God's
Great.
sake.
What are you saying for God's sake, at? Like,
It wasn't you. It's just the way the
Okay.
platforms are designed.
Oh.
So shit.
there we
Like,
go.
Come on. I like how you took
I
it as
wonder-
a personal fucking attack. You're
Oh
like,
shit! I
I'm
wonder if
sorry.
we have to fight the Dr. Robotnik that where you just go up that fucking like tower. But
water.
when you
Sonic
go up,
3.
yeah.
No, that's Hydro City Zone.
No, in Sonic 2, you go like you have to chase
Oh.
him up this kind of like gorge,
But this is.
and there's
this
tons
is
of things in your way.
Sonic 1 Labyrinth Zone, though.
Yeah, that wasn't Sonic 1.
This is-
I
I don't
need
understand
to
any of
register
this.
that you don't have that in-depth knowledge of Sonic 1.
No, I do.
Okay.
Yeah. I just
Ooh,
thought you-
he questioned you.
questioned me.
Your
I just
knowledge.
don't like Sonic 1.
Dare you question my Sonic abilities? I know all the levels, all the jump. Here we go.
This is the slowest.
Ew. Well, that's it.
Drama.
We did it. Another level.
Okay.
We got a checkpoint.
Didn't we have to fight Robotnik before we got to this?
Not this time, apparently. It's just fucking rings just sparsely everywhere. This is like a whatever stage.
They didn't think you'd make it this far. They thought you would give up out of frustration.
What is this level?
They gave up,
They
man.
just threw the shit around. Like, I don't think they're gonna bother this far.
Yeah,
Like,
no one was like checking this far down.
choo. Like, all the assets are just left everywhere. Oh, we can spin around this though.
Hey, this is playing it real fucking quick.
There we go. Oh.
No, bad idea now. I do look forward to this
Be
part.
happy.
It is very relaxing, except for when you hit every
Hit the
fucking
bombs.
bomb.
Don't hit the bombs. Just spin in a circle.
You had 14 rings and you got the emerald.
Well, at least I had 14 and Tail isn't here to lose them all.
Well,
me.
at least I am 14.
At least I am a ring. Or at least have one.
At least I'm Tails. Story.
Story.
Oh boy, exposition.
Oh,
Sorry,
no. I actually
Oh,
brought them
no.
in now.
We've decided to join back into our own game.
We might actually need to use
Fuck
them.
off, Batman.
I'm
I
Tails.
repainted my helicopter.
Oh man. Maybe if we killed
Is
them
this
before.
Sonic 3 Death Egg?
Another Death Star.
And another HeartsBros.
Is that, oh, it is. Holy shit.
There you go.
It's time to look up Sonic's ass, Tails, in another Bros!
Wait, was that always supposed to be a Star Wars reference?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
I told you, Sonic has always been like a pile of just mangled together shit. It's just a Star Wars reference.
That changes a lot.
And the robot guy is just like, what, Terminator? I don't know.
What isn't a reference?
That was, I don't know, the physical humor of that was pretty cute. Anyway,
pretty cute. I'm gonna put it in.
how about we, oh my god, I only just this week learned how to beat this guy in Sonic 2.
It's all coming together.
Holy shit. Well, it had nothing to do with being lasered into a fucking shield ball.
We'll just stay in here.
Can I move?
He's grounded.
Stay in there till next week.
Bye,
You need to move
everybody.
him into the red, surely.
No, but I can't move though. Oh, he shat on me.